ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup. I've had mac and cheese with evaporated milk before and I don't hate it.
This isn't a mac.
Ta-da! It's mac and cheese.
Looks good. A little dry maybe. A little greasy maybe. Not great looking, honestly.
This kind of mac and cheese is the one with the hard shell on top, so you get that crunch when you dig into it.
Looks like something my aunt would make at Christmas that would kind of go untouched.
A little bland.
This one's a little bland.
Honestly, I'm not psyched about it.
I don't love it because there's just some like naked noodles in here.
Evaporated milk. This is like a Depression era recipe or something.
It tastes like it wasn't made with love.
This I'm a little unsure of. I don't even know if I want a second bite yet.
You can feel that there's no sauce, which also makes you feel like there's no love.
I'm dying.
It's like camp food.
It's like cafeteria food.
Yeah, not great. It's like cafeteria mac and cheese.
And then the cafeteria lady's like, bleh, easy mac and cheese. And you're like, thanks, Rhoda.
It's cafeteria food.
See, I already like this one better.
It's got a cheese pull. That's already a good sign.
I know there's ketchup and mustard in it. You for doing that. Ketchup.
Yeah, ketchup.
The like stirring creamy sound of mac and cheese is my all-time favorite sound.
That's what mac and cheese is supposed to sound like.
I'm questioning this giant vegetable.
The peppers really worked. There's a little spice to this.
It's sour.
It's so much more flavorful than the other one.
I don't taste the mustard or the ketchup.
Really?
I just taste an overwhelming sense of like, my mouth's tingly.
These are both like pretty bad mac and cheeses.
God. There's so much mustard.
As much as I hate to say it, I think I like number 2 better.
I'm gonna do a 180 and I'm actually gonna vote for this one because it has more of the traditional mac and cheese taste.
Oh, this one for sure I choose. I don't want to get away other one.
I'm going with number 2.
Rihanna, do you have to put ketchup and mustard in your mac?
I don't know when the next time I'm gonna do a taste test is because, I don't know, I feel a little lied to. I feel violated. Everything was weird.